Hello students, good morning all of you, and you are all know about that exercise 3.2. The question of 3.2 of exercise 3.2 has been finished now, so it is the time to our start for a new chapter which name is negative numbers and integers. So students, this is also a very interesting chapter because you have studied that all the numbers which is greater than 0 is 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural number, and including 0 after all the natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. So you have studied, completed the numbers, the definition of number, the concept of number, that natural number and whole number. So today we will explain that what is the number which is less than 0. A number which is less than 0 is called a negative numbers. Okay, so let's start. The first concept of negative numbers is negative number. Negative number means when a number is smaller than 0 is called a negative number. The number which is smaller than 0 are called the numbers which is smaller than 0 are called negative numbers. For example, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So students, keep in mind the concept that when a number is smaller than 0, it means when a number is greater than 0 are called positive numbers. Okay, so 0 lies between all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers. Okay, 0 is exactly what is the place of 0? 0 is exactly the middle of all the negative numbers and between all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers. Okay, so this is the new concept for you because this is the base. This is the base that this is the base that you have to study that number which is a negative sign is called a negative number, or you may say that when a number is smaller than 0 are called negative numbers. Okay, now after collecting all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers and 0, when you collect all the negative numbers means all the negative numbers which has negative sign. So if we collecting all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers including 0, then we get a new collection whose name is called integers. Okay, so what is the concept of integers? Integers the collection of all the negative numbers, positive numbers means when a number is greater than 0 are called positive number. 0 से जो बड़े नंबर होते हैं जैसे 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन, ये सभी क्या है? पॉजिटिव नंबर है। और 0 से जो छोटे नंबर होते हैं जैसे -1, -2, -3, ये सभी क्या है? 0 से छोटे हैं, तो इनको हम कहते हैं नेगेटिव नंबर्स। और 0 को मिलाने से ही सभी नेगेटिव नंबर, सभी पॉजिटिव नंबर और जीरो को मिलाने से एक हमें एक नया कलेक्शन मिलता है जिसका नाम है इंटीजर्स। द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द नेगेटिव नंबर, ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स including zero is called integers, and it is denoted by capital I. This is the symbol. For example, what is the symbol of natural number? The symbol of the natural number is capital N. And what is the symbol of whole number? The whole capital W is the symbol of whole number. So in the same way, capital I is the symbol of the integers. So we can write I is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3 and so on. Okay, so student, this is whole collection. This is the whole collection of all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers, including 0, are called the integers. So this is the concept of integer and this is the concept of negative number. So student, before moving on next concept, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, this is the time for study about some our interesting fact which is related to this topic, negative numbers and integers. So I am explaining one by one. First, notes. So students, there are some interesting facts which is related to this topic. First one is, this is very important line, so watch carefully all the lines. Zero is neither negative nor positive. So student, this is the very important concept that zero is neither negative nor positive. Means zero ना तो कभी negative होता है ना कभी positive होता है, because zero, the value of zero is always zero. It means nothing. -0 and +0, it is not an correct symbol. So 0 is neither negative, means zero की वैल्यू हमेशा जीरो होती है. इट मीन्स नथिंग, नील जिसे बोलते हैं. ओके, तो जीरो क्या है, कभी नेगेटिव साइन या पॉजिटिव साइन नहीं लगाया जाता है. सेकंड पॉइंट इज, all the numbers which is greater than 0 is called positive numbers. So this is not a important, this is not a new concept, because you are all know about in previous topic that when a number is smaller than 0 are called negative numbers. So in the same way, when a number is greater than 0, is called positive numbers. For example, +1, +2, +3 and so on. Now third important line is, the smallest positive number is plus 1. In the same way, the greatest negative number is minus 1. Okay, so students, keep in mind all these important lines, that 0 is neither negative nor positive. All the numbers which is greater than 0 is called positive numbers. The smallest positive number is plus 1. स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव नंबर में सबसे छोटा पॉजिटिव नंबर हमेशा प्लस 1 होता है और सबसे बड़ा नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा माइनस 1 होता है. सो स्टूडेंट, मूविंग ऑन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन इन योर कॉपी और टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. नाउ स्टूडेंट, देयर आर आल्सो सम इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट व्हिच आर गिवन इन दिस टॉपिक, दैट एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ an integer. Absolute value of integer. Absolute value is the value of integer is irrespective of plus or and minus sign. It is always positive. It is always positive. Okay, students. So keep in mind also this concept that or absolute value means when you have to find out any negative integer or positive. Plus means positive integer and minus is negative integer. So if you want to find absolute value of any positive integer, any negative integer, then the value of any positive or negative integer means irrespective of plus or minus, means always when you want to find the absolute value of any positive integer or any negative integer, then it is always a positive. Okay, for example, it is denoted by the symbol this. You have to make a two line with some space. Okay, for example, if a is any negative integer, then it is always a positive, or if a is any positive integer, then it is also a positive. Okay, so this is the symbol of absolute value, and if you have to write inside the symbol, if you want to write any negative integer, then the value of this integer is positive, and if you want to write any positive integer, then the value of this absolute value of this positive integer is always a positive. So this is another very interesting concept which I will have to learn. Now this is the time for solve some numerical problem. So before moving our next numerical problems, pause the video to note it down in your copy and take a screenshot. Now students, this is the question of exercise 4.1, that you have to use the sign plus or minus for the following. So students, these are the some important situation which is used in our daily life. So where is the place that plus or minus are to be used? So let's check the situation that when the plus or minus sign will be used. So first word is profit. So profit means gain. Profit means our increment. So it shows that this means that increasing means plus means positive. Okay, so you have to put the sign here plus. and loss means decrease or decay और less, so it means कम होना। तो यहाँ पर हम साइन कौन सा यूज करेंगे, माइनस। डिपॉजिट इन बैंक, डिपॉजिट इन बैंक मीन्स if you somebody deposit the some amount in bank, it means इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, इसका मतलब कि वो कुछ पैसे वो जो है बैंक में जमा किया जा रहा है। तो यहाँ पर जो है साइन क्या यूज करेंगे हम, प्लस। बट मतलब जो भी पैसे जमा हो रहे हैं वो क्या हो रहे हैं, प्लस की ओर जो है साइन, प्लस साइन की ओर मूवमेंट हो रहा है, ठीक है। एंड विड्रॉल फ्रॉम बैंक, जो आप निकासी करेंगे, जो भी आप जो है बैंक से अमाउंट को विड्रॉल करेंगे यानी निकालेंगे, तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा। टेम्परेचर अबव 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस जैसे मान लीजिए 0 है, ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है। अबव का मतलब 0 से ऊपर जा रहा है, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस। एंड टेम्परेचर बिलो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, -1, -2, -3, 0 से नीचे जा रहा है तो यहाँ पर निगेटिव हो जाएगा। 2000 मीटर अबव सी लेवल, 2000 मीटर अबव सी लेवल, जैसे मान लीजिए सी है, सी मतलब समुद्र है, और 2000 मीटर का मतलब ये अबव मतलब ऊपर, यहाँ पे भी प्लस होगा, और ठीक उसी तरह से बिलो का मतलब नीचे, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन लगा देंगे, ठीक है। इस तरह से ये सभी सिचुएशन होते हैं जिनमें हम प्लस और माइनस साइन का यूज करते हैं। सो पास द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन इन योर कॉपी और टेक स्क्रीनशॉट। नाउ स्टूडेंट, we have to move on. Question number 2. Write the opposite of the following. Write the opposite of the following. So student, this is also a very easy question. Opposite means against, opposite means उसके विपरीत। देखिए जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, -20 का अपोजिट क्या होगा, +20, माइनस का उल्टा प्लस, ठीक है, अपोजिट मतलब ये हुआ, ठीक है। +50 का मतलब -50, -41 मीन्स +51, +70 means -70. So student, this is also very easy question. So before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, we are moving on next question. Question number 3 is find the value of the following. It means you have to find the absolute value. Absolute value I have discussed in previous segment that when any number means when any negative numbers or positive number have written between these two lines inside, then this number is called, you have to find that absolute value. So I have explained that when any number, if you want to find the absolute value, then it is always positive. So the value of this absolute -10 is +10. In the same way, if you want to write this absolute value of this 41, so it is also a +41. So student, you have to write this absolute value by yourself. So student, I hope you are all understand today which I have the important concept I have given. So watch carefully all the videos and write the definition, all the definition in your copy one by one, because this is the key when you want to, if you want to study that what is the definition, what is the concept of this chapter. So you have to write all the definition in your copy, then after you have to solve the question of this exercise. Okay, so thank you very much for being with us.